When I first inquired about adopting, I really didn't know anything about what an adopter needed. As a single parent adopter, I assumed that social services would be concerned with my finances, but it really wasn't the case at all. I wasn't made to feel like I didn't have enough or couldn't give enough. What you really need to be able to do is offer a secure and loving home to a child, and if you can do that, then you will be considered for adoption. It's impacted on my life quite substantially, going from being a single person, could come and go as I pleased, to having a child who depends on you entirely. As any parent will tell you, it was quite a shock to the system. Once the process began, once I had an allocated social worker, it was quite nice. It was made quite clear to me that we could go at my own pace. The first day I met my daughter, she was living with her foster carers. I went with her social worker to meet her, and a few weeks before I'd provided her social worker with a little photo book I'd made. So she knew what I looked like, she knew what my mum and dad would look like, she knew what the cat looked like, and she knew what her new house was going to look like and her new bedroom. I think I'm a lot more resilient than I thought I was, and I'm a lot more adaptable than I thought I was. It does make me a bit sad sometimes that, for example, I don't know what her first word was, but at the same time you create a lot of your own firsts. Family history, if you like. It's been great and I love her to bits, so it's been lovely.